Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I want to show you a couple things. I'm at my grandma's house with the cows. We are loading hay. Goes up. What?
There's an egg out in the hay feeder.
Okay. Okay. So you guys, what do you think this is? Well, number one's Dutch belted. Never get that confused. But this is Summer's baby. Summer is 10 years old. Look how cute her face is. Look at the face. And wait, you haven't seen the top. Alright, lick me. Come here. I guess we won't see your tongue today. This is the youngest one, though, that we have here. I think we have it all, I think. But this one, this is also no name. That was nothing. It's fine. This is Beefy number 2. No name. You see her face? I can't. She also has a beefy face. 2 of them. There's this one spot because they were hiding in the cracks over there. But then we blocked those off, so now they're all fighting for this one little spot out of, like, I don't know. So I'll show you the other one. She's kind of sick, but yeah. See, she's kind of sick, super skinny, but she's been eating pretty well. Today is the first day in a couple weeks that she hasn't drank all of her bottle. I think that's okay. I'll bring her right here. That is no stripe. She has no stripe. She's supposed to have a stripe like that one, but she doesn't. So we call her stripe. No stripe or something. This is Apple's Pie, Emma's favorite cow, because she's like super white. Okay. This is little bull or little girl. I think you're little bull. Maybe you're little bull. I don't know. You're a little girl. This is Pepper. Not to be confused with Piper. Watermelon. Guava. Pineapple. I'm pretty sure he's somehow related to one of them, and I think it's a sick one they're related to. But yeah. Back there's Little Bull. These two both have perfect stripes. Oh yeah, poop on your nose. This is our steer. Our steer Dutch belted. His name is Grundy because he's born in Grundy County, and that is his sister. He doesn't have a short head. He has a long head. Back there is our Ayrshire steer. It's fine. That's our Ayrshire steer. That's our Dutch belted bull. That's our Dutch belted bull. That's our steer. chickens. There's our steer. The one with not a lot of horns is Hello. He's very interested in my phone. He was watching me play on it earlier when I was sitting like right there. He was like right there staring at me. Weren't you? Yes, you were. Don't lick my phone. Yeah, that's our bull. That's our steer. Is our steer interested in the phone too? This is the bull. See, this one kind of has horns. Let him see your horns, buddy. Yep. So he kind of has horns. He tries to use them. We're going to sell him for some money. I'll be right back and I'll show you Grace and her friends. Right back. After I get over this or from that. Hello, Rooster. They're competing chickens. Okay, so right now we have kind of a little maze here. Grandpa asked when they were yelling Toho and things. He kind of pushed out a little bit. That's fine though. So this is like little alleyway, I guess you go. I don't know, but it leads to. I don't know what her name is. Don't look at my phone. That is Grace. She's super cute in the face. What do you? That face. She has this thing under her neck. She has her fat neck. And that is Joy, I believe. What is their face? That's like a horse face or something. But yeah, so I don't know what her name is. I can't remember. But then Grace and Joy. And I'll be right back to show you the rabbits. But I'll show you the other cows first. The rabbits were close to me, okay? Number 1, Red. This is Emma's. This is her first litter, I think. Might be her second litter. We bought her from a person that I know, that my grandma knows. She has 2 black babies and 1 red. That's a little bit browner red than her, I would say. I don't know. This is Midnight. No, she is not black. She's actually the color seal. It's actually a super dark brown. And those were mini Rex. This is a Polish. This is a full-grown Polish. I think this is the boy. Are you the boy? He might be the boy. But we got 2 bucks, 3 does. You like the camera. And that's Caramel. That's Rain. We don't have a name for him yet. But yeah, he's full grown. Should we tap first? We don't have a name for him. His name's Caramel's boyfriend. I want to name him Pumpkin, because what's that color look to you? It's like a pumpkin, like an old rotting pumpkin or something. This is a Polish. This is a black Polish male. This is a broken black Polish female. This is also a female, I'm pretty sure. And this is a black female. I don't know if you can see her. Hey, can you come out? Kinda.